Would a Warframe take a 40k battle barge? The next one that I have footage of alphabetically is Chroma, so let's do that. Battle barges normally carry 3 companies of Space Marines, so 300 of them, and they're crewed by 40,000 regular humans and servitors. While those would probably be insignificant combatants, they would be very useful to Chroma. His number 3 power is Vex Armor. In short, he gets extra armor and damage with each kill he gets, and whenever his health and shields are hit. Suffice to say, he would have incredibly high armor and damage. His first ability is he is a fire, cold, toxin, electricity breathing dragon that could melt through most enemies in the game up until later content. So even without considering weapons, he can essentially always be breathing something out. Given how Space Marines have been susceptible to EMPs and electrical weapons in the lore, I think that would be a bad day for Space Marines. As for a librarian or a couple, without getting into Warframe spoilers, any mind control powers or manipulations wouldn't be ideal against them. A librarian would be limited to manipulating the world around them, so Chroma's armor, health, and shields would still be in full effect. Even without getting into weapons or his other 3 powers, I think it's pretty clear that defending that battle barge against Chroma would be a significant challenge for even 300 Astartes. And that's just the next one that I'd be covering alphabetically with footage for. Someone like Saren could completely clear the ship in minutes. And honestly, Chroma's other powers wouldn't be terribly beneficial. He gets an extra double jump, so he can triple jump and other maneuverability things by sprouting wings. His number 2 power is he can emit an aura that boosts his health or shields or reload speed or gives a detrimental effect to people in its area of effect, which would be useful and give him an edge that he otherwise wouldn't have, make him very versatile. It's a nice toolbox, but not as effective as those other things. His number 4 power is his shirt comes off and attacks people, which would be useful for pinning down locations,